hat go crazy. I don't know. This is the first time. It's been a while since I wore this hat. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Dre. We're gonna be checking out Dayoung. What's a Girl to Do? Official MV. Now, this one's special because me and Dayoung linked up and did a couple videos, which you'll probably see on my Instagram, Reel, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. So be sure to subscribe on all those places. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. First, I just want to say it was a pleasure working with Dayoung and meeting her. She is so nice, so kind, easy to talk to as well. The positive energy that she exudes just radiates the whole room. The room she walks into is just positive energy. You can check out more in my Instagram. I'll be posting it there over there at JREAMERS every day. Go follow over there. Go check it out. Obviously, I know her from WJSN, and her being as a soloist, it's such a change, of course. Let's check out Dayoung. What's a Girl to Do in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Oh, she in the parking lot, girl. Ooh. Okay, body tea. Oh, was that planned? Was those fireworks planned?
This bird's been feeling way too empty.
Oh.
Oh. Dreaming back to when we stuck in, you and me in the back of that bar. So explicit, had to say sorry.
So explicit, had to say sorry. What we doing?
But one hell, your mornings and more things.
Oh, okay, choreo.
You want me like I do.
Oh.
So what's a girl to do?
Hey. Oh. Damn, she could kick me in the face. What the hell? You saw that?
So what's a girl to do? Now I'm pulling my hair out, hiding my clothes in the back of your room.
Oh.
So I can come over, pick up my things.
Oh, okay, choreo.
I'll get in your head and money, so yeah, I'll do what I have to.
Do what I have
So
to.
what's a girl to do?
Oh.
So what's a girl to do?
Girl, listen, she got abs on abs. And even I was like, listen, not to stare. Listen, Hedgen was there too. We were like, dang, if I had abs too, I'd be showing them off too. Oh.
Meet you out, act surprised. Better than the FBI.
Better than the FBI.
Wanna be top of your mind. I'ma change your plans tonight.
Okay.
Ain't it cool, it's strategize.
Hey, 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 hey. What's it gonna do? Hey. Oh my God, with this choreography, with this dancer, this choreography. Wait, I feel like I know this building.
So what's a girl to do? Now I'm pulling my hair out, hiding my clothes in the back of your room.
Hiding my what? Pulling.
Now I'm pulling my hair
I'm pulling my hair out? What the hell?
out,
Hiding my clothes in the back of your room?
So I can
Wait, why are we pulling our hair out?
my things, but it's just an excuse.
Ooh.
I'll get in your head and money, so yeah, I'll do what I have to.
Whoever did camera work, they definitely filmed some like dance covers or dance like film some dance like, you know, like choreography. Okay, bird's eye view. Hey, 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 hey. Bro, this looks so fun. Oh, oh wow. What? It's, oh dang, this is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. That is a pretty short song, I'm not gonna lie. That's the only thing. I wish it was a little bit longer. It's supposed to be good timing with this fireworks. That can't be like a setup. This bed's been feeling way too empty. Girl. So it's, bruh, what are we doing in the back of the bar that made me get so explicit? This outfit right here is such a dancer. Like, there's nobody else that would be putting a whole sweater tied in the middle. That's some dancer-ish, and he pulls it off very well.
Meet you out, act surprised. Better than the FBI.
Oh, she doing her best. Hey.
Now I'm pulling my hair out, hiding my clothes in the back of your room. So I can come over, pick up my things, but it's just an excuse. I'll get in your head and money, so yeah, I'll do what I have to.
Hey.
So what's a girl to do? So what's a girl to do?
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Shout out to the dancers, by the way. They killing it. Of course, Dayoung in the middle, killing it as well. Okay. Okay. Hey, shout out to everybody in this that made this whole music video possible. Go stream her music. Go stream the music video. Bump those numbers up if you can. And yeah, be sure to check out my Instagram for more behind the scene footage of me and my collab with Dayoung. And then I'll be posting my video on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok around sometime this week, next week. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.